evening. It's 29th of January 2022. It's 9 p.m. And yeah, something surprising. BTC raised up a little bit, and ETH is following, it seems. So my premise that Ethereum is leading was actually wrong. It seems that really BTC is still leading the whole time, and Ethereum is following, so it will probably rise a little bit too. It's already raised actually when you check it from the red zone right there. So yeah, I was wrong about what is leading. BTC is usually leading, and Ethereum is usually following, but it really seemed that sometimes they switch sides, usually when the big breakouts are coming. One of them is always breaking out first, and then the second one is following. So if people see break up, I want to see still uptrend like here. So if this small candle will go here and we will break some resistances, that would be awesome. I mean, that could be the beginning of something new and nice. I was thinking that we will still retest the support. We probably did. It's very close, 33, 32. We probably retested a little bit, but I suppose we'll retest it a little bit more, do some accumulation, and then maybe break off. So that would be important, really important. And then we can touch 21 weekly EMA, test it. Oh, we're rising quite a lot now. The volume, let's discuss the volume, okay? So what is volume? Volumes are these candles right there, and it represents how much we basically how much we traded that week. We're still in the same spot, let's say. You see that we didn't really get much volume, and still the Bitcoin was pushed down, which is very unusual. It really means that the bulls gave up, basically, yeah, because what you want to see is kind of this kind of volume, right? This kind of volume, this kind of big money coming out, big retail investors coming in, and it just went off, and now you can see the selling. Basically, at that point here, at that week, it was pretty obvious that volume is not coming in anymore, and that bears will have really easy task. You can see that most of the people capitulated here. You can see that the volume is really low. That means people probably close their position, start saving the money, preparing themselves for some bad times, and they didn't invest so much. You can see that everything is under the line. So what we want to see here is money coming in. Yeah, we want to see candles like this and this and this. This will be huge breakouts. Yeah, because you have to understand that the bull markets, yeah, need to start with some volume. Yeah, it was very visible also here in the previous bull run. The big money were coming in and out, and then the volume kind of slipped out. Yeah, you see the big difference in the volume? Big volume coming here. Yeah, and they were trying to push it, sell it a little bit more, but the volume was there. When the volume came down, and then it becomes growing again. Always does, always behaves the same. Here we had the biggest volume. Yeah, it was huge. People were not selling so much. So what we want to see, I mean, we don't need volume to raise above certain thresholds. As you could see, Bitcoin was able to recover even on this volume. Yeah, it was still a low volume, and we were able to recover. But then bears stepped in, and bulls practically stepped out. Yeah, you can see that we have only how much? Three candles here, three bullish candles. Yeah, so we want to see more bullish candles, more green ones. We see a lot of red ones, and once we will start seeing a more green candles, the price will start recover. Yeah, if we will see more red ones, the price will keep declining. So you can pay attention to volume too. It says a lot about the market. And yeah, that will be it. Very short video today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.